Good morning, Liquidators. How are we doing today? It's the FX Liquidators back with you with another live stream of the London session. Today it's myself, Pete, and Tuan trading the trading EU today. So we're just going to start the session by looking at what news we have today, see if there's anything we need to be aware of. So let's have a look. So next news, we've got medium. ADP non-farm employment change. I've never seen that one before. Is that significant?
That one's significant.
Is it? So
non-fam. Yeah, non-fam is gonna move the markets.
Cool. Yes, that's one for us to be aware of. But that is way past the London session. So today's live stream is going to be a bit shorter than yesterday's. So we're looking to stream for 2 to 3 hours today, just to give you guys an insight into how we trade at FX Liquidators. Yeah, so 1:15, we got high impact, and then we've got some low impact FOMC member. Bostic speaks. Crude oil inventories. That's always one to watch. I always find crude oil will impact the market, even though it's only amber. And then we've got some low impact news for the tail end of the day. Cool. Let's have a look at EU. So today we're just going to be trading EU. Yesterday we were doing gold in EU, but today we're just going to focus on EU. Alright, let's have a look. So order flow at the moment, kinda we're in a midway point. We have flipped bullish, but we're starting to break down as we come into this demand area here. So yeah, we'll be looking for buys from here today if we get the right change in structure. If not, very much looking for this low to be taken if the market doesn't go up, and we're going to look for shorts. Done. So cut. That was the move. Yeah, so we've sort of had this up move here where demand took control. We took out this supply here. We absolutely violated this supply. But as we come into this supply here, we're unable to break it. So, you know, I'm going to keep my bias extremely open, because this leg here could be supply taking back control, and actually we're going to see this demand get broken. And then we go up and down. However, though, if we look at this demand area here, this 4-hour area, what I've refined down to the 15-minute demand. This is very much the last move before the really big up move. So yeah, for us this morning, it's going to be a really key point. So we're going to look for longs from here if we get confirmation. If not, it's going to be a case of, right, does EU want to take these lows out, and are we going to flip short? But for now, we're going to sit on our hands for the next half hour, see what London Open gives us, and go from there. You guys got any other interpretations of EU this morning, what we can see?
The only thing that bothers me is we had that nice up move yesterday.
Yep.
And we broke the low of that up move. I thought that low was going to hold and we were going to push up from there. But the fact that we hit that lower demand zone makes me a little uncertain what's going to happen.
Me too. Yeah, so I'm very much in the same boat. So obviously we had that massive move here yesterday, what took out the entire day's liquidity. Breaking this 1 hour supply zone. I believe it's a 1 hour supply zone.
I lost I lost half of my gain in buy EU sell yesterday because of that.
Yeah. Yeah. So the way I see it, we've had this breaking structure here, but there is another take on it. So obviously we dip down, we feel the inefficiency, and so this move could be two things: a liquidity sweep for liquidity, just to then break down, or liquidity inducement. So we break down, feel the inefficiency, we start encouraging buyers into the market, filling up with buy orders. Right. So then last night's Asian session and New York close takes them all out. Yeah, because we didn't hit the refined demand area. We just hit the inefficiency.
Yeah.
So now we're in the actual area. This could be a liquidity inducement move. So we've encouraged buyers, taken them out, and now we get the real move. But at the same time, we can't ignore the fact this area was broke. So yeah, I think we just need to.
Yeah, supply is still in control right now.
Yeah, this whole move down, it's just supply and control of the direction completely. Cats are actually going crazy. What they do, they just sort of run around the house all day at like 50 miles an hour, but they'll just run into everything, and it's just like flying around everywhere. Like, you know, when you're trying to focus, and all I can see is just my cat just like on the desk, like knocking over like toiletries everywhere, like just trying to eat shoes. I'm just like, please, come on, just calm down and go to sleep. Right, so we're in this. I'll do the command area. So here we go. So
just to check really quick with our audience, is the music level okay? It's alright? Okay. Seems okay. We don't have an audience yet.
Yeah, so
welcome.
Yeah, so right. So this is our sort of change of character here. Making this minor structure.
Yeah. Maybe a flip.
So I want to
so
take the supply out here, come back in and buy.
Yeah, that's the area I was looking at.
Okay, 1 minute is nothing really of interest. I'll probably be targeting 50% of this imbalance and below the lows here.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was planning.
So if we break this, I'll be entering here and probably shooting for Asia highs, maybe. Is that a bit ambitious? No. Maybe something like this.
Yeah, maybe the highs for the final target.
Maybe, yeah, these highs. So 15. Yeah, up into this.
And then, maybe all their partials taken out. At the Asian highs.
I'd probably take most of the position off here and just try and let it ride.
Our last night's high, actually. That higher, that impulse.
Yeah. That's a good
place for the last target, the last partial, and then the target, the highs from last week. In case we do get a nice move.
Yeah. Yep. Happy to take this move. If we can crack this supply and get the pullback in.
At least he is finally going our direction.
Yeah. Yeah, agreed. But yeah, this sort of I mean, you can just call it Wyckoff, but I never thought about it from an inducement perspective, sort of, because especially for me, I see this move in when you see that push out and you start to think, oh yeah, maybe I've got an entry here. But when you start to think of it in terms of, right, this is just a move to this is like the bait, isn't it? Right.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's get involved. We're getting the reaction we wanted. We've had this demand zone marked up for 2 days.
Okay.
I think we're about to push this supply.
Yeah. It's mostly tap now. Just cleared it.
Yeah, 775. 775. Beef is spread. 153.
I'm not sure we'll get another chance if it comes down.
Yeah, what I might do is buy stop.
Yeah, I may put a wider entry and
Something like this.
instead of buy stop.
783. Yeah, because we didn't break the supply, but as we know, above all equal highs, there's liquidity that wants to be taken.
Just a second. I'm gonna check on the stream.
Yep. Five minutes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Take this. Close above this. Wyckoff out.
Did you put my limit here?
I think I'm going to. Yeah. Have you?
No, I don't. I still wait for channel pointer.
Yeah. I'm sort of seeing these equal highs, but yeah, I'm kind of not.
It might be channel pointer, but there's no strip yet, so maybe.
Yeah, I'm not. To be honest, I'm not satisfied to take this.
Yeah.
Actually, no. Yeah, I don't want to start the day off with minus 1.
Yeah. It is all our psychology.
Yeah. So if it pings off the trade, fair. Don't mind. I just wanted to see a break here, really.
I don't want to make anything from today.
Yeah.
Usually start going down.
That pullback was actually the 50% of the push down.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's a tricky one. It is a tricky one.
Yeah, it makes me a little worried because that's what I usually look for my entries. And as it almost hit it exactly,
yeah.
I'm wondering if that was our last chance.
I don't think it is. No, I don't think it is.
But yeah, I mean, even if it does fly out, I mean, we should have other opportunities for entries.
Yeah, I just I want the pitch to be clearer, at least for the first trade of the day.
Yeah, but if you look at this, the structure right here, it's actually creating a nice Wyckoff.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you are right. To be fair.
it's just a little bit ugly Wyckoff.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, no, you are right.
A nice accumulation.
If we drop into here, I'll buy stop it.
Yeah, buy stop you can have less than 10 pip stop loss. Still nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna, even if I enter, I'm gonna enter with a white stop loss this time.
Yeah.
Did you enter?
No, I was want sort of a bigger push in.
We still have very small inside bar refinement on either. Maybe
No, I'm gonna hold up here. I don't know the way it's just coming down with no resistance.
you guys still new double MB for entry now.
Yeah, I'll get if it goes up, get a break extraction and enter off a different zone.
I don't use that anymore. Maybe we all break.
Yeah. Like, it's just, see the way it's just like there's no corrective action. It's just like melting down.
Yeah.
Although it is before London Open, so it could pick back up.
Yeah, potentially it could be the last pullback before London Open.
That's the problem with London Open. It's so like it's so sketchy, isn't it? Because it can just melt down and then just fly.
Yeah.
Before I usually lost in London sessions.
Yeah. Are you guys entering?
No,
I haven't pressed the button yet.
with more. Do you guys still inside bar indicator? Yeah. I like this. I like the indicator. I like inside bar first.
Yeah. Got equalize. Does look like a shooting structure.
Right? Oh, that's interesting. I don't see that on my screen.
What's that in the 15 sec?
I was in the 1 minute. Maybe that's why.
It's sort of breaking down again. It's liquidating the lows.
One thing.
Yeah, see like it's breaking down with your cheese. Yeah, we're gonna run this low.
Yeah. I have refinement here.
Yeah.
Maybe.
If there's an immediate impulse off this 1 minute here, it's definitely a dead zone. Okay. Liquidate the 1 minute.
Looks like a 15-second Wyckoff.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15-second Wyckoff.
I still don't just that. I'm I want train right the 10 1 minute more safe.
Starting to impulse a little bit. Yeah, it's a tricky one, isn't it? So we got a slight little push up there, but all it's done is hit that supply candle and just drop back down. I want a real sign that demand wants to take control here.
Yeah, true.
Some real clear confirmation. I think when you get that, it'll be if we take these highs. Oh, my doorbell's just going. I'll be 1 second. That is awful timing.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry back.
Like literally 2 seconds.
5 minutes before London Open.
I can't believe it. I'm still. My headphones wireless, so keep me updated on everything happens. Hello, mate. You're right. Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye. Basically, partner can't stop buying stuff. So every day I'll get like 3 packages come. Right before London Open. Christ. Okay, I like what's happening here though.
Yeah, hopefully it invalidates the entire zone.
Yeah. Let me look for some longs. Because yeah, it would be nice to be in at this point here, but obviously with this all this bearish pressure, all this supply. Obviously this is our our POI, but and we believe this to be potentially inducement. I just think it's nice. First trade of the day, just like your textbook setup.
I like usually maybe sell today.
Selling UJ, are you?
Usually.
Okay, yeah.
Well,
Bitcoin absolutely flew yesterday.
Yeah, it did.
we are live on YouTube right now.
Yeah, we're live. To our wonderful audience of currently 0 people, but we'll grow.
No, we have one.
Oh yeah,
We have someone watching us.
Fantastic.
Probably one of our guys.
Brilliant. We've got 2 minutes until London. So hopefully this is our low of the day, and we can get some continue. We can just trade up all day. That'd be really nice.
Hopefully, I mean, I just don't want to see what we saw yesterday. Yesterday was a complete mess.
Christ alive, that was awful. Yeah, but we start breaking down.
That could be the London pullback, though.
Yeah. Start breaking down. So I want to see this area get broke before considering any sort of big shorts.
Listen to me.
Volume's increasing.
nice. Here it starts looking nice.
Yeah, it's on the shift well.
Yes.
Yeah, so if we run this, then we have our confirmed change of character. So yeah, we run the lows and we run the highs. When I first started trading EU, like start of the year, I'd trade like these 5-second schematics.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Honestly, it's the most dangerous thing ever. Because I would literally like, yeah, I'd be like, okay, we've had a break, we're in. And it would run like crazy but you're just getting taken out all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've broke those lows.
Yeah, we liquidated everything.
Really pleased. We didn't take an entry here. So this could be the last liquidation before the push up, or we could see a breakdown. Because we haven't closed below, we've only wicked it. So we've rinsed that liquidity. Yeah. Still think we can go higher here. It's starting to unfold quite a nice schematic. So PS here, setting climax, automatic rally. Got ST, TB, Sana strength, ring.
Wow, deep test.
Oh, maybe this is just our lower time frame shift. Break. Start to push back up.
Yeah, if this is a schematic, I'd like to see a break the AR before we enter anything.
Oh yeah, all day long, all day long. That AR here just fully violated. You know, deep spring, violate the highs, get our demand area in place, and buy. But if we break this, maybe we get longs off this other the origin demand. Like maybe. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. see what. Wait for the picture to be a bit more clear. It's quite, as long as it pushes up now, it's quite a nice schematic. Kind of a slow London Open today, isn't it? To be fair, it's like it's yesterday too.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I lost my connection on my PC.
Yeah.
The streamer seemed okay though.
Oh, that's good. So yeah, this could be our spring. I'm not gonna blindly believe it, but I mean, you got a nice manipulation of the lows here. If we start breaking this internal structure and finally get our AR break, I think we'll be good for longs.
Still playing around a little.
Yeah. Yeah, if we break this low here, I can see it just falling down to this area. Yep. Yeah, we're going down. Yeah, to me the zone's invalidated now.
Yeah.
So we can move on from there. Supply is very much in control.
It kind of sucks. We had a.
Yeah,
It was looking good.
Yeah, it was looking good. But you know, at the same time, we made the right call from holding off from that buy because we didn't get that clear picture And right now we'd be sitting with a -1 for no reason at all. So we're really close to this area, so I'm going to watch it for any potential longs. We could get a long here, where it's the origin of the range. Yeah, so we've rinsed all this internal liquidity. Rinse. Let's just look on the hourly. Yeah, so I think if we get any sort of longs from here, if we get the right shift, probably be looking to buy up until this hourly supply zone here. What sort of meets the midway Asian range, and then maybe look for shorts down.
Yeah.
Because yeah, this is
Time frame, we are still bullish, so it could continue on. This could just be a trap.
absolutely. This is why I'm fully prepared to take a long in this demand if we see a good shift. Because yeah, we're still like the overall area is still all part of a 4-hour demand zone. That whole, so you know, from that first tap yesterday to obviously the breakdown now, we've just been in this this overall demand. Obviously we have this other demand area too, but where it's the 4-hour we're dealing with, it's such like, you know, big areas of demand. Sometimes you just don't know where the move's going to take place.
We've come down 50% of that last bearish 4-hour candle.
Where? Sorry?
If you go back to the 4-hour,
Yeah.
and then look at the last on the left, the last bearish candle.
This one.
No,
sorry,
further left, that one, yeah.
Yeah.
We've just gone below 50% of it, and now we're bouncing off of it a little.
Yeah, we are, aren't we? Let's see if that's tapped. Yeah, so is that taken? Yeah, so it's tapped the 1 hour 50% perfectly. To make a note of that. So this could be our move, potentially.
Let me see the 1 hour.
Trend line, yeah. So yeah, it's tapped the 1 hour, 50% the 1 hour.
Yeah, almost perfectly.
Yeah, I think the 1 hour is underrated. I need to start using it more, especially for like intraday. So we hit 50% of 1 hour. Yeah. It's kind of like structure's really tricky here because If we
Yeah, but
take this.
technically that schematic's still valid.
True.
The accumulation schematic. I mean, it actually looks quite clean. We just had a deep spring, if that's a spring.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, I do agree. If we can take out this high, because this is our overall schematic, and then obviously right here we've got our fractal whole schematic, which is obviously played out. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So if we can get the first break of this, giving us our demand area, it could be good for longs from here. Oh.
One back. Alright, it's back.
Sweet. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to flip here. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it looks good. It's just I don't really have so much confidence in you right now.
Nah. Fully get what you're saying.
It's pulling back now. Jeez, it was so close.
Okay. Did you get a break?
I think it broke.
Not just yet.
That's it.
You see a line?
You're expecting 3 candles, 1 minute candles?
Just basically where we're looking at it from like a Wyckoff schematic point of view. When I trade like a Wyckoff schematic, all I want to see is just a close above. Yeah, my rules they slightly differ for Wyckoff compared to looking at like a real structure shift. It's only because what I find with when you're looking at like a Wyckoff schematic, if you just get like one close above like your sign of weakness, etc., etc. Sometimes it's just enough to go off. But yeah, it doesn't actually want to break it. We're just starting to distribute again. What I do like though is we've broken this 5-minute candle here. So if we can just come above here. That'd be great.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I just lost my internet on my main PC.
Oh, did you? Christ.
I don't know if it's a streaming or what, but
Yeah, it's probably because I'm using a lot of your bandwidth.
I didn't have a clean break, but it's back at our entry.
Yeah, no, I'm not prepared to enter.
Yeah, he is really not showing us what we want to see today.
No, it's completely skewed my bias for the day. So I think we just need to sit on our hands for a sec.
Yeah.
And this is the issue when you've decided you want to go long. First thing, when it starts breaking down, you're like, where am I going to enter?
But the thing is, I think we're safe, for entries anywhere in this area. It's just we need to see that structure shift.
Yep.
And it's really not showing us that at all right now.
No, supply is just moving perfectly between supply zone to supply zone.
Yeah.
It's just effortlessly moving down. So there's really no reason to take a long until demand is effortlessly back in control, or at least showing us some really strong signs. What's happening elsewhere today? Oh wow, GU's falling off a cliff.
No, broke structure. It's just also you too. And both of them had clear distribution.
UJ's falling as well, which I find interesting.
Odd.
That is odd. Normally, go to get gold. Yeah, gold looks bearish. Broken the zone here. Bitcoin. Could get a Bitcoin short today, but I doubt it.
I mean, as of right now, technically that could have just been a test of the spring.
Yeah.
Still, I don't like it.
No, I sort of wanna. What I'd like to see.
I mean, now I'm to the point where I'd like to see a break of that AR area that we mapped out earlier.
Yeah, because it's not that far away really. It's like what, 12 pips.
Yeah.
So some sort of bullish structure getting put in place, and then we sort of try and get off that if it plays out. If this breaks, I really don't think there's much below it.
It's not. Yeah.
On the daily. No, there's not really a lot going on here. I mean, like this zone was okay because price tapped it, but you know, nothing like until maybe we're down here. So
or maybe even 50% of that imbalance as well, potentially.
Yeah. Until we're here, or yeah, with that imbalance here. It's not really a lot.
Go back to my original idea of wanting to see EU go to that next demand zone. But I think the fact that it created that 4-hour bullish break, that's what completely screwed me up, because I was thinking we're gonna go up.
Retracement, yeah, at least until around here. So the daily up, down, take the lows. Yeah. We might get a long from here, but it won't be it won't be a big trade, I don't think. Get a scalp here, I think, if we see the right movement.
Yeah. Looking at the higher time frame, so weekly we're bearish, daily we're bearish. 4-hour we had that structure break.
But it's sort of starting to shift a bit. Where we're taking the internal demand out, it's starting to look a bit bearish on the 4-hour too. But I mean, this is like the last point of no return. It either turns around here or it doesn't.
Just broke down.
Yeah.
I have a feeling we may just break right through the 4-hour predicted low.
Yeah, I really won't be surprised. Always being in control. Oh, really?
Yeah, almost all the way down today. It tapped supply zones on every pullback.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, at hindsight, it's like literally like you just take the 50% of each move. You just could have stacked it all the way down. But like to me, it's too much in the discount area to trade like that. Yeah, supply's in control massively. So, I mean, we could see a break of the 4-hour lows. We'd still be in the overall 8-hour demand. So, we could either buy a retracement up or wait for a retracement and get in short.
Looking at those candles, I think shorts may be better right now, unless we see something clear on a structure shift.
Totally agree.
I was really hoping one of those demand zones would hold.
Yeah, me too. It's literally just been a long slope down here.
Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity there.
Yeah, unless you got in here, it's like quite a hard range to trade, really. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a lot of liquidity being formed.
Yeah.
So, you know, my bias is that we still want to take it. I still maybe want to get up into the Asian range, but we need like significant shift here. But I'm not gonna feed too much into that because the way
right now,
the way it's been moving. Yeah, sorry.
I was just gonna say that I think the safest thing for us to do is to sit back and see if we get a shift on the last demand zone.
Yeah.
Or a break of the low. Yeah. And if we start to see a break of the low, then I mean we may see some short-term pullbacks.
Yeah, and then sell the pullback.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good plan. Just sit on our hands. Yeah, ever since streaming my trading, it has done a lot for my psychology, because even when it's just in the Discord, right? You know when you got eyes on you, and it's like, well, okay, so I know people are watching me, so I'm gonna make sure I apply my system at all times, because I suppose my biggest weakness is if I take like a couple losses, it can be a massive struggle sometimes just to be like, right, I need to walk away, or I need to consider what I'm doing. But yeah, when you're live streaming, it's like, well, you're only going to apply your system, so if you lose, it's because it was a clean setup, and that's really not a big deal.
Pushing down again.
Is it? Yeah, we could see like a really slow London again today, and then like a more action-packed New York.
It's getting really close to those 4-hour protected lows.
Yeah, I really can easily see that getting broken through.
That's just a few pips now. It's like 2 pips. Jeez.
liquidate that zone really nicely. Yeah, if it pushes out, or if it impulses out all of a sudden,
We can look for longs.
then look for longs,
Uh,
or maybe even shorts as well. Problem is, I don't like this supply zone here. It's not too messy. But I do like this one up here. It's 15-minute.
yeah, we're gonna have to mark our supply zones.
Okay, so what would be nice, right?
Mark our supply zones, and then if we go long, just keep an eye on them.
Yeah, definitely.
Eye on them, yeah.
Supply zone 1.
Yeah.
Recapture this long. Then if we capture this continuation, take profit for me would be around here.
Yeah, it'd be hilarious if it was one of those, those special swings where it just took the lows and screens across the other side.
That would be hilarious. So, right. Yeah. What we need for first entry, I need this gone. Need that gone. Then either TP here or see what happens and manage the trade from this area.
Yeah.
Alternatively, if we take the lows, just take those out.
We should be looking for shorts.
Something like this.
Yeah.
Something like that.
That's a clear supply zone.
Yeah, this is just because obviously you got your supply area, but then it just looks like it's been sort of mitigated with like a hidden supply on top. And then it's just really rough. It's not a good zone to work with. But yeah, patience pays. I fully believe patience pays. All we gotta do is wait.
Last week when it was just me and you, we had so many better opportunities.
Oh, we did do it.
Trading.
So, yeah. Just it's been. I think it's NFP on Friday, isn't it? So NFP week's always a bit weird. So hopefully, next week, it'll be a better market to trade.
So this today, NFP, jeez. I just feel like we're getting overwhelmed with news or events. Like,
Yeah, it is. I normally find it's like that at the start of the month.
so we had that initial reaction,
Yeah,
starting to pull up a little.
yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, I like what I see.
Yeah, for now it looks good. I just want to see some significant structure broken before we consider anything.
Yeah, so we're starting to demand's starting to reclaim the internal zones, but yeah, want to see this our first point here pass it through, because it could easily just hit the
supply zone and turn around.
Distribute back down. Because even though we've got these nice long candles, like we had that here, we started to get that here, had that here, we still
and then it turned around.
Yeah.
I think we can even prepare short at that next supply zone in case it doesn't break through it.
Yeah, we could do, to be fair.
Actually, it's already in the supply zone. It's already tapped in.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. So let's see price play out here.
Kind of looks like it rejected off that supply zone.
Yeah, it does.
go for a walk. Okay. No running.
Yeah, really weird market today. Everything's just going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely going to run those lows. Okay.
Sorry, I lost my headset. I think it's back now.
We're gonna run these lows. If we can pull back to this area, we'll short.
Yeah, I'm just looking at dollar. Dollar is really strong.
Is it? Yeah, you can tell. Where is it?
But it's actually starting to hit a supply zone right now.
Yep, invalidated that demand. Cruising through it.
Oh yeah, that was a huge impulse.
For me, it's very much shorts today.
Yeah, we should have taken that short when it hit that supply zone.
Yeah, I fully agree. Yeah, we definitely should have took that.
That would have been a nice trade, actually.
Crazy. Yeah, the only reason I like held off is although it's like super bearish, it's just when we're at the origin of the discount area. Yeah, so we can get a pull into this here. Oh, short from here.
The dollar just hit a 50% supply zone and bounced off.
Yeah. Your friend's in some crazy trades.
Yeah, he is. Told you he's good.
Bloody hell.
I have a quick look on my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
That's a 4-hour supply zone. And it
Okay.
just tapped the 50, bounced off. It's pushing back up into it, but
Interesting.
this was the last area that it pushed down.
Yeah, I see that.
And if you look at the daily, same thing.
Okay, yeah. So that's a really key supply level.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting. Seems to be like churning through it though.
Yeah, it may just scream right through it.
Yeah, so I'm hoping for a little retracement here. Sell from here.
So this could be a reversal zone as well for the dollar.
Yeah, true. That would be funny.
Our bias gets screwed up 2 times in one day.
He is actually melting.
Yeah, I wish we would have taken a risk short in that supply zone. Just tap the bottom of it too.
Yeah. If we were like slightly higher in the range, we would have done it.
Jeez, Kyle, man.
Milking it. What a legend.
He's in Guma. It's above Tokyo.
Is it like quite an urban area, or is it more rural?
It's rural. There's nothing out there.
Explains.
I think you got a problem with your internet, dude.
So is that your name?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ah, you're back. Yeah, I think you completely died out for a second.
I don't know what's going on. So
Yeah, you're back now.
but like, yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
This boy posted a chart where he took like full profits at the very top and it kept on running down. Oh my god. You know, this reminds me of last Wednesday, 1 week ago.
Yeah, what happened that day? Remember?
That was the day we were looking for longs, remember? And it just completely melted.
Yeah. At least we didn't enter in longs.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's really not much going on, is there?
I'm not gonna.
Zone.
Yeah, I'm not gonna enter a short right now, and I'm sure as hell not gonna enter a long.
Yeah. Sort of the same on gold, really. Done the exact same formation. Had that massive move up yesterday. Took supply, but we just slowly just melted down, breaking all the demand. So I think your original analysis might actually come into effect on Sunday, because you were bearish, weren't you?
Yeah, but the thing that threw me off is we broke structure to the upside.
Yeah, yeah.
We broke that 4-hour structure, so I was thinking, okay, we'll probably get some pullbacks and then we can go for longs. And then I mean, I had that really nice long, but then we started to turn bearish again. I had one more push up, and then after that, it's just been going down ever since.
Yeah, it's I mean, gold looks like a really clean distribution on the 4-hour, but I mean, yeah, EU starting to look like a bit of a distribution. Oh, yeah, so should have sort of schematic break this out, gone down.
We're still in that supply zone on Dixie.
Are we?
Yeah, so I'm really curious if it turns around here.
Yeah, because I mean, we're still in the demand area for EU. So although we've broken the, I suppose you can call it the internal structure. What?
Yeah, that big one. I forgot about that one.
Yeah. So we're still actually in that.
Have we hit the 50%?
No. So we hit the 50, came up, broke the 50.
Oh yeah. We broke it. The 50%.
Yeah.
Last week.
So I mean, that original move up could have been the carrot on a stick, take out all those buyers, and then get a real push up. But I mean, the way it's just impulsing down, we would need to see a really nice structure shift around here.
Yeah, but the thing is, it broke so much structure. I mean, the weekly was broken, the daily was broken.
Yeah, everything. There's nothing like this. It's nothing like I can't just see it melting.
How many shorts was I in today? I started with a long, break even, and then the next one was a short. That short I could have held.
Oh, you're in a short, are you?
Yeah, I was in a pullback short.
Yeah.
But it's kind of a risky entry.
Yeah.
It was actually a pullback to a supply zone. And then it broke away from the supply zone, but then came right back. And I was already break even by then.
Yeah.
And just stopped out, and then it went back down. I was like, okay, not a big deal. I didn't lose anything. And was thinking, I mean, in my mind, it was just a scout because I was thinking we're going to be looking for longs today.
Yeah, it's funny.
And even yesterday, I was in a couple of shorts. Actually, at the top, I took a short yesterday.
Did you actually? No way.
But it was playing around, distributing a lot, and it was late. It was after our call, and I was like, I just don't feel like I didn't feel comfortable with it, and I didn't really want to hold it, so I just closed it.
Yeah, no, it's fair.
No, I didn't close it. I'm looking at yesterday's journal. I mean, looking at the profit, it looks like it was a break even. I probably just set the break even, came back, stopped me out, and then a few hours later, just melted down.
Yeah. Is how it goes sometimes, how it goes. It's irrelevant. Relevant.
But seeing how that last down push was such a long candle,
Yeah.
I'm wondering if that was just a liquidation.
Yeah, because you know, liquidations happen on every time frame, so it could just be like a 4-hour liquidation.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think gonna look for longs here as we're still in a demand zone. Then the way I see order flow is coming back up to here. Then maybe sells back down.
Well, we can just set partials at that point, and then just let it run, see what happens, because potentially it could have a short-term reversal.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, because this is a really strong supply area for Dixie, so.
Yeah, is it? And you know, equally, this is a strong demand area for EU, so.
Yeah. Kyle is killing it today.
Yeah, some insane trades going on now.
And this guy gets better and better. I mean, he hasn't been trading long at all.
Yeah, so if you look at this whole area, it's come down into the outlier. So that's the whole zone's at 8 hour, but that's this block here is the 1 hour refined.
Yeah.
So it's come and tapped the 1 hour. It's come out. So this break here could be just that same thing of encouraging early buyers, and then how much of that have we tapped now?
50%, a little over 50%.
Yeah, at around the 50% level, aren't we? So I mean, yeah, could be.
Actually, can you run your fib on that? I'm curious if it's just a 618.
Yeah. Wait. Down.
I know, just on the demand zone.
Yeah.
I want to see if it's a 618 of that demand zone.
Oh.
No, actually, I wanted to see if the EU price has gone to the 618.
Yeah.
Into that, and just in that 1 hour demand zone.
Oh, you just want this one hour, not the whole move?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, you're probably gonna want to do it on the right.
Yeah. That's the idea.
Yeah, just over there.
So it's tapped. The 618, yeah.
Jeez, almost perfectly.
Yeah. So let's see what we get. Kind of a nice little shift going on here. No closes above the 5 minute yet though, which is what I normally like to see.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm really reluctant to look for shorts right now until those zones get broken.
Yeah. For me, shorts are more up here.
Yeah.
We're in the very much in the discount area here. Yeah, very much in the discount area.
I didn't realize it, but I'm looking at EU now.
Yeah.
And almost all the way down, you can see it was distributing.
Yeah.
And then it would just bounce off and then distribute again, come back down, bounce off, distribute again.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And that was like all of today, more or less. Yesterday, the behavior was a little different, but from at least today, Asia time, you'll see every push up just to the distributors.
If you like, you could stack like 10 trades there if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
If we can get a clean close above here.
But it's actually, it looks like it's starting to accumulate on EU.
Yeah. If we can get a clean close. Something like this. It's a bit of a wider stop.
You kill many buy traders today.
Yeah. What do you think about longs from here though?
Yeah, I mean, wait for more. I can't see anything on EU right now.
I take that back.
What's that?
I take that back. I was looking at you thinking it was accumulating, but it actually looks like it's distributing.
Yeah, it does look more like a distribution.
Uh,
I'm not actually in that trade, just to make that clear.
you took a short?
No.
I was gonna say risky, man. But it could pay off.
That'd be wrecked. Yeah, it just sinks 30 pips.
We can do the coin toss thing where, we just do a 1-to-1.
Yeah, you know what? It's actually like that's a good 50% effective. Probably would have got some good gains today.
Or we could have done it at the low and the high. Short from the high, a long from the low, and.
Oh man.
Yeah, I think the problem with smart money concepts is, you build your biases,
Yeah.
and when they don't work out, your day is completely ruined because you're just waiting for that
You're
one
waiting for,
trade.
the structure to rebuild.
And when it doesn't happen, you realize, wow, I could have just followed the trend line.
Yeah. But when it hits, it hits good. It makes these days worth it, to be honest.
Yeah, true.
We had a slow week, but next week we could back to back 10R, 10R, 10R. But yeah, it's if we can close above this high with at least 3 1-minute candles, or obviously a 5-minute. Consider this long. Right, I'll take 50.
But in all honesty, what the hell?
Yeah.
Shit. Sorry about that.
That's
Dude,
alright, sorry.
I don't think you heard that, but man, that alarm scared the crap out of me.
Is that your alarm?
Yeah, that was our alarm to start streaming, so I think we should wait another 30 minutes and see if we start to break some structure, because we could have a monster trade if it does.
Yeah, I really think we could. At least up to the 1 hour zone.
My screen's still being shared, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at my screen.
Yeah, just watching now.
Can you see that?
Supply. Yeah.
Exactly. And this is what we were seeing before. So it actually exceeded the 50%, but it's starting to create some bearish wicks. And as you go down lower and lower, you can see, I mean, it's all bearish. And the 1 minute is where it gets interesting, because here you start to see your buyer's climax and your AR.
Yeah.
Where you start to have like somewhat of a cleaner
it's
distribution.
Like a mirror of EU, really, isn't it? Like we're in a major demand.
Yeah.
We've hit a key level. The 5 minutes starting to shift. We can start getting some closes above these highs.
And on this side, it's about to break.
So we could actually get some good longs in.
And like I said before, I mean, this could be a monster one, because when you have like a distribution like that at the highs, I mean, it could just keep on going down.
Yeah, so I'm considering doing a split risk trade, one with a larger entry and then a sniper, and split the risk between both trades, because then one might get tapped in when the other doesn't. But we'll see what happens. I'm not decided yet.
If Dixie breaks the hour here and we get a pullback, that'll bring EU back down so we can intro long, I think.
Perfect. Patience pays.
Just got an alert. What just happened? No, it's an alert to say that we have news coming. So all those retail sales in Europe are going to be coming in 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, they start hitting,
And the UK PMI, the construction PMI is in 1 minute. You back?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, sorry, I went, yeah, so UK one looks high impact. Do you think that will affect EU as well?
It can.
Yeah, good to know.
Well, if the news is strong enough, I mean, it'll have a direct impact on the dollar, and then when the dollar is heavily impacted, it'll impact everything.
Yeah, it makes sense.
And then, I mean, it's interesting with GBP, because I mean, this one has a pretty close relationship with the dollar, but it also has a close relationship with the euro.
Okay, yeah, of course. So it's sort of the middle.
Yeah.
The middleman.
So it's like less than 10 seconds.
Yeah, so I really like this zone I've got marked up. So if it plays out, so we do break above.
Okay, bad news for GBP.
Is it? See what happens.
Yeah, it was below, but no impact on the dollar for now. But it just pushed right back up after it broke the AR.
Yeah.
But here it comes back down. I would like to see like a clean break of the AR on Dixie. And if we see that, then I think it could be interesting to start looking for pullbacks for longs on EU.
Mhm. Yeah.
I mean, worst case scenario, I mean, we'll hit our first and maybe second partial.
Yeah.
And if it just, dumps after that, then EU will just keep on going up.
Yeah, I agree.
It looks like the dollar wants to come down now, right now, finally. It's time to break.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's breaking.
Yeah, we could honestly have a monster long here. Yeah, I want to see 3 closes on the 1 minute above this zone.
Have a look at my screen again.
Yeah, just watching.
You can see that?
Yeah.
Clean break. Yeah.
It's really clean.
I don't think this one's so significant right here. This pullback.
No. Yeah, still want to see EU break those highs.
Yeah. We'll need Dixie to come down a little further. And actually, around this time, we actually have a lot of moves like 2 hours after London Open.
Yeah, it is a good time.
Yeah, so things may turn around at that time, and I mean, this is maybe the start of the structure shift. And then in 20 minutes, it may actually start to really move in our direction. Yeah, we should be breaking any second now.
Yeah.
Because I see Dixie coming down.
Yeah, it's just closing across now. So we've got a touch across. That was a high. No, closing. 1, 2.
Small little pullback. Come on, push down Dixie. It's a little more. Okay, I made it. Nice. So we have our second candle in 5 seconds. Come on, stay above. Alright, there we go. Our second candle. Is it above?
Yeah.
It closed.
Just on it. It's just yeah. It's just closed on it.
Yeah, right on it. Jeez.
Yeah, I'd take that, to be honest.
All right. I'm gonna get back on EU. I like what I see. The only thing I'm worried about is if we get one more liquidation candle before it actually moves in our direction.
Yeah. I think if we get this close, I'm gonna enter where the traders. Oh.
That's weird. And the candle just closed.
Yeah.
Dixie's falling back. I think what we should do is look for a liquidation candle here. Because if we get our liquidation candle and then a strong push up,
Yeah.
that could be our entry.
Yeah, I feel you.
It's a little risky, but it'll get us in at the bottom if it does turn around.
Let's see what happens.
Actually, it would be perfect if it liquidated right now, because that would create a perfect Wyckoff schematic on Dixie.
Yeah.
And that was just a sign of weakness. Comes back up, creates that U-tab, and then after that, we'll see a liquidation wick on EU, and then if we have a sharp response, and potentially we can just enter right off that.
Let's see what happens.
Just don't break this demand zone.
I know. Oh, a bit too funny.
One chance for a decent trade today. And actually the structure is a lot cleaner than what we saw earlier today, because we actually have a clear sign of strength.
Yeah, no, it's nice. Like I like the close above these 5-minute highs here. The only thing I don't like is just the fact we were unable to close above this.
Comes down and creates a liquidation wick. I may risk enter.
Yeah.
With a buy stop at the bottom of the schematic.
Okay, yeah. So
And
honestly,
then
yeah.
and then probably have my stop loss at the liquidation at the bottom of the liquidation candle.
Okay, okay.
Just need to see what happens first.
Yeah, I would structure to just unfold a little bit.
And then in this case, I'll probably set my first partial at the top of the schematic.
Yeah. That's
It
quite
won't-
clean actually, because it would probably like bump up there anyway.
Yeah,
Like you can partial and just be.
probably won't be a 1-2, more like a 1-1, but
Yeah.
let's see what happens. I just want to see a liquidation candle first, and then I'll feel a lot more comfortable about this.
Did you get in SK?
Hello?
Did you get in that you buy?
No. I wanted a clean close above these highs, or either 3 1-minute candles or the 5 minute to close. But we've been unable to close, so I've just got this laid out, but I'm not actually in it. What do you see?
I may want to put in this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, EU, liquidate those lows. Create a real spring. How much space do we have? We don't have much space, do we? Bottom of that zone.
Well,
We still have 10 pips. Yeah. If it comes down 5 pips, then I'll enter with that price dump.
yeah, because
With a reaction, of course.
yeah.
I'm not gonna enter just because it went 5 pips.
Oh wait, pro demand. I'm in.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
I've gone long.
Yeah. Oh, that would be stupidity at its
That'd be
greatest. But it'd be funny even more funny if it worked out.
Yeah, okay, it runs 50 RR. Yeah, so from like a schematic point of view, be waiting for that final, like what you were saying, heat, just sort of
The liquidation. Yeah.
Yeah, so see what we get. I still want to see it close above this level. Then get a pullback entry.
If that happens, that'll probably be my second entry.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I totally get your logic in entering on a liquidation, but looks more like distribution now. Oh, does it? No, that looks like a spring.
Yeah, but I want to see a real one.
It's not quick enough.
Yeah, I'd like to see it like a strong push down and then with a heavy reaction.
Yeah, I'm out. Lose that one.
Did you buy?
Yeah.
Oh no.
What? You just entered a buy?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna come down further.
Yeah.
Can't win them all. It's all good.
I just want a quick run to the supply level, but yeah. No.
Dixie's turning around. We're not seeing a U-turn on Dixie.
Yeah, but that that free 1 minute candle rule kept me out of so many bad trades. Because if we had the third close, I would have entered, but we didn't get it, so I just said no, and you know that would have been 2 losses we would have taken today.
But honestly, I'm thinking more from the Wyckoff schematic point of view. I mean, if you create a nice schematic with a nice spring here, then I'll do a risk entry.
Yeah, that's fair.
And with the buy stop at the bottom of the schematic, I mean, it gives me some time to see it play out. If it runs right through it, then generally that's.
So what your buy stop like this?
It'll be at the bottom of the schematic, so the entry will be at that wick, the first wick down. On the left, that candle that came down.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one. With the stop loss, probably like 5-10 pips down, depending on the spring. Yeah, so if this just like pushes down really hard, like around 5 pips, and then bounces back, then I'll enter. But not like this. Although that was a nice reaction. I just would have liked to see something significant, like 5 pips or something like that.
It could be like trying to catch a falling knife flow, like this.
But you know what I'm talking about, right? Where you have that quick impulse down.
Yeah.
With a quick reaction. I mean, that could go like 5-10 pips.
Like bang and just bang.
Yeah.
Just like big wick. Yeah.
Yeah. If I saw that, I would click on the.
Enter. I know what you're saying.
And then just wait for it to, go through it. But like if it slowly goes down 5 pips, then no, I won't even consider it. But the schematic's still valid. If it pushes up, clears the AR with your 3 1-minute candles,
Yeah, totally.
then we can just wait for a pullback entry after that.
I think all the time we're in this demand, the idea of longs are on the table. Because it might not even be a 1-minute schematic. It could be like a 5-minute playing out.
The only problem with this, if it comes back up here, creates those 3 candles, I mean, that thing that we're looking at as a spring,
Yeah.
it could be the STB, and then we have a real spring after it.
This is it. This is it. This is what I'm thinking. It's we're going through some sort of accumulation on a higher time frame here. Because it could even be like seller's climax, automatic rate here, ST sign of strength, STB bring, like
Yeah.
STB sign of strength bring.
Yeah, I honestly, that would make more sense, because what we saw just now, I mean,
Yeah.
it was very insignificant. I mean, I prefer to see, like, you know,
Larger price action in play.
like just one of those spikes down that comes right back.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hop on the 5-minute. See what happens.
Yeah, the only problem is we just don't have that much room before we break that demand.
No, not at all.
So it doesn't really give us that much room for, like, you know, one of those quick impulses, like, you know, just pushes down and comes right back.
Yeah, no, literally.
I mean, it can probably break the demand zone if that does happen.
See what happens. Yeah, this is the sort of last week of trading. It's really started to teach me patience. Because I would have probably ended several trades by now. Yeah, because I'd very much be in the mindset of hop on a chart. Right, I need to make a trade right now. You know, what's the next opportunity? Where can I enter? And you know, sometimes it works really well, but other times, you know, you're at risk of over trading.
Yeah. I'm just worried about our bias because, you know, ever since we, you know, started, our bias was look for long. I'm just worried it's gonna break through, and then after that we end up with nothing today.
It's true. We could hedge. Well, you are right, to be honest. You know what we could do? We could hedge a sell here. Perhaps it's down. So we break structure to the downside, right? If we sell from here, I mean, we could take a -1, but then if it breaks above here, we get a structure shift along. Yeah, Christ.
Alright, we're doing some string. Alright, let's see a real liquidation. Hello?
Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
What happened to our music?
Yeah, it's turned off, isn't it?
Let's see. Oh, it's gone. Let me add it back.
This area here looks pretty clean for sales.
Yeah.
We could buy to.
If this schematic plays out, well, anyways, I'll have my partial around that area anyways.
Yeah.
Um,
just do a hedge.
Yeah, but my thought is, I mean, it just may scream up if this really plays out.
Yeah, it's true. It's very true.
I mean, just considering the area that we're trying to catch this reversal from.
Hello, Lisboa. How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Did you guys catch the EU cells?
No,
Eh?
we're looking for loans.
We're sort of.
Hey, Lisboa, what did I tell you about keeping 10% on those trades?
Yeah, I didn't even consider it. I just, I was done trading. I was watching a show, and then I saw the trade. I took it, and then as soon as it hit 5 hour, I closed it.
I'm
But yeah, the
telling
50.
you, just close 90% and then set your stop loss to break even and just let it run.
I need to get that in my mind. I just got in a DJ short.
Did you see what I wrote about Trade Assistant?
Yeah, the spreads and commissions.
Yeah, it can take that into account. So
Yeah. I think I when I finish the challenge, I will shift to MetaTrader and use something like that.
but I completely switched. I'm like running all my accounts on MT4 now. It's been over a week now. I know, exactly a week. Last Wednesday was the last day I traded on CTrader.
Yeah, every pair is pretty much falling. Yeah.
So
I just got in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got in a GJ short. I already got out.
Nice.
Oh wow.
But my trade was like 4 minutes. 5 hour in 4 minutes. That was it.
You're cold with these 5R trades, aren't you? Absolute sniper.
Yeah.
It's amazing to see his trades.
Yeah, I'll post it in the.
How's your challenge going?
Yeah, almost done. I fucked up a little bit on Friday,
Right.
but yeah, I have like 1.5% left. So yeah, hopefully this week.
Not bad.
Hopefully this week I can do it.
Or maybe today.
Yeah, let's see. I'm risking very little because I was up 8% and then I went all the way back down to 5% and I was like, what the hell am I doing? So I decreased my risk just to make sure I don't go crazy.
Yeah. Low risk is the way to go. Especially with your where you don't partial as well. It's like you kind of can't lose with like low risk because if you
it's like even with 5R, like I risk 0.1% and I make like 0.5% like very quickly. And so like I think it's safer, at least for now, for me to keep risking low.
Yeah. Dick, you all right, mate?
I'm just super talkative, Nick.
Yeah, hey. He never stops talking.
Okay, see this fractal that's forming right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see that? At the bottom,
Yeah.
we have another fractal forming.
Yeah, I'm not sure if EU is going to buy up.
I don't. The only thing I'm looking for is if we see liquidation here, then I may consider a risk entry with a buy stop, or if we see like a cleaner spring and then a break of the AR, then I may consider that.
I think I'm looking for shorts actually. Like I like to short from the demand to supply flip that broke the extreme demand, the previous low. There was a nice reaction there, and then we created supply. But yeah, we are reacting to demand, so I don't know.
It's a tricky one, isn't it? Yeah, considering we're in this larger demand zone, sort of like, what does price really want to do?
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, because it's whenever you scroll to the left, you can't really go lower than the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes to refine. And so all my demand zones are pretty big.
Yeah.
SK, I got a suggestion.
Okay, yeah.
I'm thinking maybe we stop the live stream here.
Yeah.
Yes. I can just record. Your screen, and we can continue after.
It's been quite flat anyway, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Literally.
Exactly.
2 hours of melt.
Yeah. And
entries what haven't materialized.
Exactly, and that's what I'm saying. I mean, if it does materialize, I mean, we'll have it recorded and we can post it separately after.
Yeah. I think,
and then just refer to this.
2 hours live stream is enough anyway. Yeah, cool. Good idea.
So, really quick before we close off, when's our next stream?
So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. To all our wonderful viewers out there, all one of you. We'll be live streaming again tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow.
So
perfect.
Yeah, same time. Yep, half hour before London Open, we'll be on.
Okay. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm thinking like Tuesday, Wednesday.